Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a JBL Cinema SB190 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this soundbar is not working for some reason, whether it's not connecting to your TV or it's not syncing with Bluetooth or not connecting or pairing with the network or anything like that, not responding, etc. And factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for any variety of reasons where you want to delete all the pairing history, delete all the connection history, all the settings, so you can set this soundbar up like it's new coming out of the box, basically. We can do that with this factory reset. So all we need to do is, first of all, we just need to make sure that our soundbar is on. And then once our soundbar is on, we're just going to find the source button on the right here and the power button on the left here and press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds or so, the soundbar will automatically turn off and then reboot into its factory default state, at which point you can set it up basically like it's a new soundbar.